Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are very much healthy emotionally and physically as well. So moving towards the video, this video is all about skirts, and guess what, I have ordered these skirts from Meesho, the most affordable shopping sites out there. I wanted to test out their skirts, their different fits, prices, styles, to see actually what's worth buying. So I ordered these skirts from Meesho only. So I'll be giving my honest review on how they look when worn. I'll be rating them as per their quality, price, style, comfort. So grab a cup of coffee or chai, sit back, and let's dive into this try on haul of skirts from Meesho. Okay, so a mini disclaimer I would like to give you all that in this video I'll not only be trying skirts one by one. So I understand it would be really boring अगर मैं एक के बाद एक स्कर्ट सिर्फ पहनते जाऊँ. सो उनके साथ साथ मैं हर स्कर्ट के साथ एक डिफरेंट टॉप और डिफरेंट एसेसरीज लाइक ब्रेसलेट, चेन्स, इयररिंग्स, रिंग्स ट्राई करूँगी. बिफोर स्टाइलिंग आई विल बी डूइंग माई आई मेकअप एज पर माई skills, which I'll not be showing because there are hundreds of tutorials of eye makeup which you can see on the YouTube which are 1,000 times better than me. And finally, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, for eye makeup I have these options of shades in front of me. Okay, so now coming to the basis. So this is the concealer which I have. For foundation I can apply this also, but I prefer applying the BB cream. Let me do the eye makeup very quickly. Let's begin video. I'll be choosing light shades like light brown, उतना अच्छा ब्लेंड नहीं हुआ है बस. Okay guys, so finally I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I'll be starting with the main objective of this video, which is trying out skirts. So let's begin. So before trying out, we'll be choosing the top, the bracelet, the chain, the rings, and other accessories like sling bags or sunglasses also. So first one is this check red and black skirt. I have these various options, but like this one, I think this have red and black in it, so I think this will go best. Now coming to the accessories. So for bracelets I have some options.
A lot of them it's really confusing, and
I think this is cool and funky, and this will suit with the skirt I'm wearing. I think this one will be fine. This piece will be fine for earrings. I think this one is fine. I think this will go. Okay, so for the sling bag I'll be taking this bag. I'll be using these shades as these are really special to me. Now finally it's time to show you the final look. So sorry guys, I'm so sorry, I forgot about the rings. A heart one. See, this hand was looking really empty, so I decided that I will wear this too. So guys, this is the final look with all the accessories, the top. And I'm really liking this combo, this black and red combo. If I was asked to rate this outfit, to rate this skirt according to quality, it would be around 7 on 10 on quality. As per the style it would be 9 on 10. As per the comfort it would be 9 on 10. So at the last, the main question, is it worth buying as per the price 174? Of course yes. So okay guys, moving forward from this cute red and black check skirt, let me show you my second option. So there's this blue bodycon skirt. Its fitting is really nice. Okay, so let's choose. This top will go nice with the blues bodycon skirt. I think they both will look good together. But I think this one will be nice for one hand. Okay, so this is the bracelet. Okay, so we are done with both the hands. This hand, I'm choosing this one. It will look good. इयररिंग्स के लिए मेरे पास एक ये हार्ट वाला ऑप्शन है और एक ये भी ऑप्शंस हैं. Okay, so I think this will suit with the outfit. Done with the accessories. Now time for the final outfit. Okay guys, are you ready? 1, 2. Its fitting is really nice. इसकी फिटिंग बहुत ही अच्छी है और ये सबके लिए है ऐसी फिटिंग. अब सिर्फ किसी एक के लिए नहीं है, मुझे लगता है आपको ही ऐसा अच्छा फिट आएगा, इसका फिट ही ऐसा है। सो आई थिंक मेरे को इसके साथ हील्स पहननी चाहिए अभी, ठीक है। मैं भी आपको आई थिंक जब हम कुछ बॉडीकॉन पहनते हैं और जब हम उनके साथ हील्स पहनते हैं। सो ओके गाइस, आई होप आपको ये आउटफिट अच्छा लगा होगा। सो चलो मूव ऑन करते हैं दूसरा आउटफिट पे। सो नंबर 3 इज दिस वन, दिस स्कर्ट। सो दिस क्लासी khaki and brown color couldn't stop me from grabbing it, and the style of this skirt was looking extremely stylish to me. Accessories for the hands, I am choosing this bracelet. For the neck piece, this one. These one for the ओके गाइस, सो ये मैंने टॉप सिलेक्ट कर लिया है। रेडी, 1 2। I just love this. I just really love this. My accessories also, rings, those. Let me take a sling bag with it. I think इस पे अच्छा लगेगा because beige and black. Okay guys, so time for another outfit. So fourth one is this skirt. This is a cute lavender floral skirt. So its vibrant lavender color was looking extremely cute. So I picked this one up. For the top, I'll be choosing a baby pink cut sleeve top. This one, it's a skinny top. टाइम बहुत जा रहा था, उसलिए मैंने सारी एसेसरीज यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट कर दी ऑलरेडी। ब्रेसलेट के लिए मैं ये स्टार वाला ब्रेसलेट और ये ब्लैक ब्रेसलेट लेने वाली हूँ। नेक पीस के लिए ईविल आई वाली चेन, एंड ईयरिंग्स के लिए ये वाले ईयरिंग्स, और रिंग्स के लिए मैं कुछ ऐसे गोल्डन रिंग्स और ये इन्फिनिटी वाली रिंग पहनूंगी। सो एसेसरीज पूरी मैंने पहले से सिलेक्ट कर ली है। शो यू द फाइनल लुक। द रिंग्स, दिस ब्रेसलेट, दिस वन, दिस चेन एंड द earrings. Okay, are you ready to see the final look? 1 2। So it's a little tight. मुझे इसके साथ शेपवियर पहनना पड़ेगा। सो थोड़ा टमी बाहर लग रहा है इसमें, बट इसका स्टाइल बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। ये बहुत ही अच्छा वाइब दे रहा है। तो ये कैसा मेरा थोड़ी सी फिटिंग टाइट है यहाँ से, बाकी ओके। सो द फिफ्थ स्कर्ट is this. It's really cool. It's a size S and it has costed me around 250, and these belt like structure on this was giving me really cool vibes. That's why I ordered this one. So I'll be wearing this top black skirt. I think purple will suit it more. Okay guys, are you ready? And I was right, it's suiting much more than the red one. 1 2 3, this black. Great. And guys, for the perfume, I'll be spraying this one. I love this, and I really recommend you. Really nice, yes. And I'm loving this combination. Okay, so this is the sling bag. Oh yeah, yeah. Really amazing. Fine. Now guys, this was about number 6, I think. So if you ask me about the rating, as per the comfort I would give it 9 on 10. As per the quality I would give it 6 on 10, and as per the style I would give it 8 on 10. That's it. And is it worth buying? And it costed me, it is a size S. You can also skip this one also because it's not that much good according to me. There are 2 more skirts which I have. Their fit was not attractive, but I'll still try those skirts in front of you. Okay, this skirt which I was talking about according to me was not worth buying is this skirt. I don't think इसकी फिटिंग उतनी appropriate है, और ये उतनी अट्रैक्टिव नहीं लगी मुझे वहाँ पे मीशो पे. सो यू कैन बाय बट and it's the smallest size, so I was not finding it that much good. You can see its look. Thing could have been better. There's one more skirt of denim which is left, which I think is not up to the mark. I'll show you that also. Too loose and it's the smallest size, and I don't know why I was not liking its look. You tell me guys. Coming down. Is it looking okay? This is the fit of the skirt. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. So the main motive behind trying the skirts on and also styling them in front of you was just to make the video interesting and productive. मैं ये नहीं चाहती थी मेरी वीडियो बोरिंग हो जाए, बस मैं एक एक करके स्कर्ट स्टाइल ऑन करती जाऊँ. वो तो मैं शॉर्ट्स में भी कर सकती हूँ, बट मुझे पूरी एक प्रोडक्टिव और एक मीनिंगफुल सी वीडियो बनानी थी. सो मैं सारे स्कर्ट्स के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दूँगी योर कन्वीनियंस. सो आई रियली enjoyed shooting this video. For more such videos, stay tuned. Till then, always take care of your health, your environment, your emotional health, your physical health. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye.